This video tutorial I will explain setTime and setNanoseconds method of timestamp class. Here I have defined the class timestamp demo. Here I have created timestamp. Here I am getting current time in milliseconds. Then I am calling setTime method of timestamp and passing the time. Then I am calling setNanos method of timestamp and passing nanoseconds as 3. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.